What's up, guys? It's Aaron from AaronHoner.com, and today I wanted to talk about creativity. So creativity, Casey Neistat, one of the legends of YouTube, he has 10 million subscribers. He's done hundreds of vlogs, probably over 600 vlogs, and he talks about if you're ever doing something creative, you never want to do it for the money. You always want to do it for pure passion behind it. So if you're doing it, if you're getting into anything creative for just the money, it's not a good idea. You got to get into it because you love it, and you really want to make a difference in people's lives. And he was also talking about, so first number one rule is to be creative. If you're gonna do anything creative, do it because you love it, not because the money, not because you want to get into YouTube for the money, because you're just gonna quit after a while if you get into it for the money. Also, you have to have a reason why you're doing it. You have to have a reason why you're doing what you're doing, because if you don't have a reason why, you're not gonna stick with it. You gotta have a strong reason why. For example, the reason why I post videos is I want to destroy the porn industry. I want to help so many people quit porn that it's non-existent, and I want to help and I want to make an impact with God, like such an impact. I want to be Charles Spurgeon is one of my main people that I'm like, I want to be like him. I want to make an impact on that level, and that's my why. And just that's somebody I look up to, and the reason why I do what I do is I want to destroy the porn industry and I want to make an impact. So you have to have a strong reason why, and you have to not do creative things for money, and that is how you're going to succeed on YouTube or anything creative, whether it's writing, YouTube, songs. You got to have a reason why, and you got to do it because you love it. So thank you so much. God bless. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you later.